Hello. Welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? How's Tessa doing?
Good.
I'm doing great.
Excited.
Yay! We have a package. It is a huge package. And we are going to open this. It's going to be super exciting. It is from and Vogue. Yeah, it is from the gel company and Vogue. We have so much stuff in here. It's going to be first impressions, unboxing. Let's just have fun, look at products.
Yay!
Yay!
Let's do it.
Okay, so we have a couple of things in here. Just a couple. First of all, we have this.
Ooh.
Huge, awesome, super cute bag.
Big bag.
Oh my god. And it is filled, I tell ya, with things, stuff. And then we also have two of these.
Big boys.
Yes. So before we start, maybe I should explain myself why I have this. So in Vogue are the people that I met in Toronto at the Toronto ESI show, was it like a month ago?
Yeah.
So if you have not watched our TikTok vlog, then go ahead and do that. So here we have lots of products that they send me for me to try out, because I have never tried out in Vogue before. And I have heard so much great things about it, and I am so excited to try it. Especially, I've heard a lot about their gel polish.
Gel polish and
Builder in a bottle.
yes.
Yeah, so their main focus is like, well, it's gel, it's the gel company, and they are actually also a manufacturer, so they create their own products in Canada.
Very cool.
That is so cool. So they create their own stuff, and they're a gel company. Everything is HEMA free, all that things, you know, that we love.
Yes.
And yeah, they're focusing a lot of like builder in a bottle, like biabs.
Biabs.
Biabs. I don't know how you say it in Sweden. Everyone says biabs.
Biab.
Yeah, biab. What do you call, like, for short, builder in a bottle? Let us know in the comments. So yeah, we're gonna dig into it.
Yes.
All right, so first off, we have this box.
Very cute.
Yes. Love the packaging. It is so cute. And in here, I think this is the summer collection. You open it up like this.
Ooh, fancy.
Very fancy. So yeah, this is what it looks like. How luxurious is this?
Very.
I love it.
Very nice.
The bottles are really cute. So yeah, this is what they look like. Really nice. I love that
big.
they have matte lids.
Yes.
You get a better grip. And in here we have pre-made swatch sticks.
Nice.
Love it. These colors are so cute. I am matching the blue one perfectly. These are very soft, nice pastels. Very, very nice.
Very nice.
And here you have a little card. I love the artwork. I bet you can do really soft and pretty designs, like cloud designs with this. Let your imagination soar with Daydreamer, a pastel baby blue, and Utopia pastel lavender jelly. You'll be on cloud 9 with this milky off-white cream, and the dazzling pink sparkles of ethereal Milky Way will surely mesmerize with its vast range of iridescent hues. And last but not least, let your individual spirit shine through with Angel Wings, a translucent, buildable, soft pink. Okay, I really like this collection. You can do really cute designs with this. Very head in the clouds.
Yes.
Like they nailed the theme. Next box is the like starter kit, I think. Builder blocks for perfect nails. So yeah, this is like the stuff you need if you want to get started with in Vogue. So we open it up like this.
Nice big box.
I know, right?
I like that they're kind of big bottles, both the gel polishes and the builders.
Yeah. Yeah, absolutely.
You're not getting like a teeny tiny little color bottle.
No, you're getting lots of stuff.
Big stuff.
Yes. Here's Builder in a Bottle. It's a little explanation card. So what is Builder in a Bottle? And here you have lots of information. So you have the Connect, which is that one.
Okay.
And that is prep nails per usual. Apply a thin coat over the entire nail bed. Cure for 60 seconds. And then you have your build. That's your clear, blush, opaque, peach, and rose. Build. So then you build it up. First coat, extend from cuticle area to desired length on a tip or form, and then cure. And then use a larger bead and extend down the center of the nail and build up the thickness. Third coat, apply if required, and then you file, shape, and buff. And if you want to do a French manicure, you apply your paint on pure white, which is that one.
Okay, so it's like a white gel paint, but
yes,
in a bottle.
And then the last one is your shine. Apply a semi-thick coat covering the entire nail, cure for 60 seconds. So that's that one.
Okay.
Yeah. And then we have their cleanser, prep and clean. So it is both for prep and for cleaning off the tacky layer. Awesome.
And a little file.
A file? Oh, there's a file. Okay. Cute.
Nice.
I
Great
love
starter
it.
kit.
Good. Really great starter. I mean, you have everything you need here.
And their builder in a bottle is actually a hard gel.
They have, like, their gel polishes are soak-offs, but their builder in a bottles are hard gels. Okay, you want to dig into the bag.
The bag!
The bag!
I mean, it looks so nice.
Oh my gosh. I actually saw this at the Toronto show. One of the girls there had, like, they brought their own bag. Well, they had stuff in it. And I was like, oh my god, that is so pretty. They were like, we can send you one. I'm like, oh no, please don't. Oh my god.
You shouldn't.
Oh no, yeah, you should not.
It's too much.
Exactly.
And the first thing you saw in the package, you were like, yes!
Yeah.
A bag!
The bag! So, here we have lots of files. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 different files. And here we have lots of stuff in here as well. And I think I'm gonna stand up now. So, okay, so you open it up and you can flurp this out.
Flurp?
Can we talk about the flurps? Can you see that the red? The red is so cool. And then you flurp it out. It's stuck. There you go. And here you go. Woo! So here we have lots of stuff. I'm gonna put this to the side and we're gonna dig into everything. Like, we have so much stuff in here. Okay, so first, in the first little lid, I got a couple of brushes.
Ooh.
So we got this dust brush. Large, big one.
Big one.
We have a gel. Oh, I like this. Look at that. Like, it's kind of short, but like stubby. I don't know. Is that a word in English? Stubby.
I don't know. But it's like full of hairs. It's not thin.
Yeah, I love it.
Yeah.
I want to try this, like right now. Okay, and here we have another brush. So this one is rounded, and this one is square. This is great when you want to get into the sides.
Yes.
So
you have those corners you can work with.
I don't have any square brushes because I tend to go for the rounded ones, but now I'm very happy that I got a square one. And then I got a picker-upper pickup tool with the logo on it.
Very cute.
Very cute. And then we have
ooh,
this one is blingy.
Wow.
Wow. I was like, I'm not even looking at the bristles. I'm only looking at the handle. And Vogue. Look at that.
Very nice.
Ooh. It is a very nice liner brush, or like detail brush.
Yes.
This is perfect, like if you want to get close to the cuticle with your gel polish. Here is, like, this is kind of a classic, you know. I like the handle. It's like a wood handle. And then you have the square, but it's a little bit wider than the others. And then we got cuticle oil.
Ooh.
It smells really good. Okay, like fresh.
Some fruit.
And then we have all the swatches for the gel polishes. I don't know if this is everything they have, but it's a lot.
It's a lot.
So you have some glitter gels, and then you have color gels, you have like neons, you have pastels, you have bright, you have softer, you have like a lot here.
Nice.
Yes.
Love the glitters.
Yes. I can't wait to try the gel polishes because I've heard so much good things about them. Now we have the gels. Okay, so let's start with the Sculpt and the, like, these are the base gels, I bet. Like, building hard gels.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're gonna look at those. So you have like blush, medium, build.
Ooh.
Like that. Blush, medium. Okay, so now we're like digging into like their vocabulary.
Yeah.
Like, okay, so this is like their blush, medium, build. Okay. And it is It doesn't really move. It moves a little bit. Okay, interesting. Then we have Sculpt Build, and this is like a super builder.
Ooh.
Builder, it doesn't
Just
move.
sits there.
It sits there like a, I was gonna say squirrel, but don't know
They move.
how that would work. We have Smooth Clear Self Level. I think that is pretty self-explanatory. There you have it. Ooh, very runny. Very runny. Okay, this is gonna be my favorite. I love runny gels that are self-leveling, yes. White Build. This is what I would use for French reverse, probably.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so white build, doesn't move. It is what it is. Cool. Nice white. No yellow. Clear medium build. Yeah, okay, yeah, it's a medium build, but it's clear.
Yeah.
Yep. And lastly, we have Smooth Brush Self-Level. Well, that sounds like it's right up my alley.
Ooh.
Yes, and it self-levels.
Yes.
It moves. Cool. So these are the builder hard gels.
Yes.
You can do extensions with this. You can build up your nail. All that stuff that you do with hard gels.
Cool.
So forms, tips, wherever way you want to use it. Oh, here's like the base products. A Super Shine. Looks like that. I guess it is Super Shine. So the premium line is like self-leveling gels, and I would recommend this like if you're going from acrylic to gel, because these don't move an inch. And then you have the Simply line, which are these, and they are made into different viscosities. So you have your builders and you have your self-levels, you have your runnier gels, but you have like more variety here, I think.
Yes. So if you're used to working with gel, then maybe the Simply is easier to work with.
Yeah. Gel people, acrylic people. Maybe. Now when we have cleared that up, then we have paints, gel paints.
Yeah.
A black and a white and a red.
Seems like their kind of colors.
It is. Spotted that one. Okay, so it's a little bit on the runnier side.
Yeah.
But it seems like it's super pigmented. I am excited to try these. I'm gonna see how they work. And then we have glitters, I think.
Ooh.
Low maintenance. So I guess it is a glitter gel.
Ooh. Well, that's a low maintenance kind of glitter.
Yeah.
You can put it on anything.
Over anything.
Yeah.
And then we have Goddess. And this is specialty glitter. Exciting. We love some specialty glitter. Oh my god! It sparkled so much when I opened it.
Wow.
Wow. That one is a Goddess gel.
Gorgeous.
It is.
Gorgeous.
Wow. Love it. Then we have rose gold. Oh my gosh. Am I going to faint? Ooh. Come on. How pretty.
Very nice.
How pretty.
So much glitter.
It is so saturated with glitter. Oh my gosh. Flashback. This is not a specialty glitter though. Oh, look at that.
Ooh.
Like here you have holographic.
Holographic gold glitter.
Yes. Very nice. And we have Smooch.
Smooch.
Ooh. It's like a dusty rose.
Yes.
Glitter. Very thick. I am excited to try these. Almost like that. They look like builder gels, but with glitter.
Yeah.
This is.
I bet these are great if you want to do a glitter French reverse.
Ooh, yes. Drama queen.
Ooh. That one has some chunky glitter in it.
Yeah,
as
a little bit more chunky. That one is nice.
Very nice.
You have blues and you have greens and you have the chunkies. Wow, that one
would match you perfectly right now.
It would. And last but not least, we have Gold Digger. Always need a Gold Digger. Gold Digger. There all the time. Oh, that's a Gold Digger.
Ooh. Fine glitter.
Fine glitter. But I mean, this. It looks so opaque.
Yes.
Crazy opaque. Wow.
Wow.
And then, last but not least, we have lots of gel polish. Okay, so we have
like 6 packs.
yeah 6 packs of Lack
Lack
It.
It.
First off, I'm a base, so I guess it's a top. Lack It, I'm a base. So this is like gel polish base.
Yes.
These bottles are very cute.
Very cute.
And then we have I'm a matte. So I guess it is shiny. So it's your gel polish matte top coat.
I like it that it tells you what it is.
Exactly. It's like I'm
a
a matte. Yep. And I'm a base. And I'm a no wipe. There you have it.
And it looks like they try to have different labels so you can easily see on the color which one is which.
Yes. That's true. That's really smart.
Yeah.
I love that. We
Because
need to see
these
them
are the ones
together.
you need to have like on your desk at all times.
Exactly.
So
These
even-
are. Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're okay. I didn't even notice. You did.
Ooh.
So I'm a no wipe is black. I'm a base is white, and I'm a matte is gray.
Smart.
Very smart. So here you can see, like, if you put them on your table, you can see them very clearly.
Yes.
Like, I mean, maybe we're starting with the colors now. Yeah, we are.
Yeah.
So we're starting with Aura, and it is well, it looks like it's a mix of 2 different colors.
Yes.
Ooh. Yeah. So this was the dark blue.
Like a chameleon shimmer almost.
It is like a chameleon. Yeah. It has purple in it. So we have Teeny Bikini. We have Nearly Nude. French Lavender. Bonbon. Roxanne.
Roxanne.
And Diamond Dust. I think we should open this.
Ooh. Ooh. And it feels like it's very opaque for being a glitter gel polish.
Absolutely. That is a lot of glitter for a gel polish. Last one. This is the last one you get
Yes.
for this video. Let's see. We have Rouge.
Ooh, like
Rouge?
Moulin Rouge.
Is it Rouge? Rogue. I was reading Rogue.
It
but
could be Rogue.
Really? Rogue.
I don't know.
I don't know. We're too Swedish for this.
Yes.
I'm Arena. I'm Arena.
I'm Arena.
I'm Arena. I'm Arena. Yeah. And then we have Neon Pink. Hello. White. Oh, it's white. This is gonna be a nice one to test.
Yeah.
Because, you know, white is a hard one.
Yes. You don't want it to be too milky if it's supposed to
Yeah.
be a white.
Same with black. Black.
I like
There.
that it's no like description. It's just
Yeah.
it's white and black.
That's it.
Yep.
Bananas.
Bananas.
I want to see bananas. I love yellows. Ah, this is a sunny yellow.
Yay.
Ooh, I love that. This is pretty. So pretty. That's it. How are we going to fit this in our drawers? Like, it's overflowing already. But we have the bag.
Yes. They
which
can live in the
is
bag.
Awesome. Thank you so much, and Vogue, for sending me all this to try out. I cannot wait. Especially, I want to try out the gel polishes because I've heard so much good stuff about them. And it was so nice meeting you in Toronto, hanging out with you at the ESI show. And oh my gosh, I'm gonna have so much fun.
Yes.
Yes. And if you want to try anything out yourself, we have a special discount code for you right here. If you want to try it out, subscribe. Subscribe. See you in the next video. Mwah, bye.
Subscribe.